Hi guys, it's me Tony, and now I want to show you so many ladybugs on one of my trees. There is also here, and luckily no aphids. This is eggs from ladybug. They lay eggs, and so far no ants and no aphids. We put here on the bottom of the tree ash from the stove, and ants, they don't like the smell of the ash, and so far I don't see any ants. And another thing, I put cans with sour cabbage juice inside. There is another one right here, and the smell is again doesn't the ants doesn't like the smell of the sour cabbage. Also the juice from sour cabbage, I have a lot, so I can put every time when the can is empty or when it's overfilled with water from the rain. I have these cans. I don't have plastic bottles. We don't drink water from plastic bottles, and I have these cans so I can use them. There is another tree right here. Let me check for ladybugs here. I don't see any. Again ash from the stove on the bottom, and no ants. No ants. Actually there is one here climbing, but it's just one. And I have two cans also. One fly is drowning inside. How about second can? There is some bugs inside, and no aphids. So far is pretty good. There is another tree. This is blue plum tree. Last year they was covered with aphids, so many of them, and millions ants walking up and down, and bringing aphids. They are milking them for sweet juice. That, yeah, the ladybugs, they like this tree. There is here, and there is another one right there. Maybe they're laying eggs. I don't see any eggs, only this one right here. Let me check the third tree. We have germination right here. Potatoes. This bed is recently 2 weeks old. I have two cans right here. This one again, some bugs inside. There is another one, all full with bugs also. And there are ants inside, but no ants on the tree. Nothing, I don't see even one. And again, this tree, the bottom is covered with ash also. This is the ash. We did it in early spring, and so far the ash and the sour cabbage juice working pretty amazing so far. There is one ladybug right here. They're on duty now, and the trees are so far clean. Okay, this is the update for today. More is coming.